Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. How has your day been so far?
My day has been good. I woke up early and had breakfast. What about you?
That sounds great. I had a busy morning, but now I'm free to chat.
That's great. I want to practice my English more.
Of course, we can talk about different daily conversations.
Yes. The more I practice, the better I will become.
That's the spirit. Let's start with daily routines. What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. Then, I go to work.
That's a good routine. What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs, toast, and coffee. What about you?
I like to eat cereal and drink orange juice. Sometimes I have pancakes.
That sounds delicious. I want to try pancakes sometime.
You should. They are easy to make. I can show you a recipe later.
That would be great. Thanks.
What about after work? What do you usually do?
After work, I go home, take a short rest, then I prepare dinner.
That's good. Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes, I order food or eat out.
I see. Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, I love Italian food, so I often go to an Italian restaurant near my house.
That sounds amazing. Maybe we can go together someday.
That would be fun.
Imagine we are in a restaurant. How would you order food?
I would say, "Excuse me, can I see the menu, please?"
That's perfect. After looking at the menu, you can say, I would like to order.
I see. For example, I would like to order a cheeseburger and a soda.
Exactly. If you want something else, you can say, can I also have some fries?
Got it. And if I want to be polite, I can say, "May I have some fries, please?"
Yes, being polite is always good when ordering food.
What if I have food allergies?
You can ask, does this dish contain peanuts, or is this dish gluten-free?
That's helpful. I will remember that. What if I get lost in a new city? How do I ask for directions?
You can say, excuse me, can you help me? Or excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
That's simple. What if I don't understand the answer?
You can say, can you repeat that, please? Or can you speak more slowly?
I see. And if I understand, I can say, "Thank you for your help."
That's right. Good job, David.
What if I want to use public transportation?
You can ask, where is the nearest bus stop? Or what time does the train leave?
Very useful. Now I can travel with confidence.
Let's practice shopping. Imagine you are in a clothing store.
Okay. I would say, "Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a different size?"
Perfect. If you want to try something on, you can ask, "Where is the fitting room?"
And if I want to buy something, I say, "I would like to buy this. How much is it?"
Exactly. And if the price is too high, you can ask, "Do you have any discounts?"
What if I want to return something?
You can say, "Can I return this item?" Or, "What is your return policy?"
This is very useful. Now I feel more confident shopping in English.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and read books. What about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar and going for walks in the park.
That sounds fun. Do you play the guitar often?
Yes, I try to practice every day. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I want to learn to play the piano one day.
That's great. Playing an instrument is a good skill to have.
I agree. Maybe I will start learning soon.
That's a great idea. Learning new skills is always good. Do you have any plans for the future?
Yes, I want to travel to different countries and learn more languages.
That's amazing. Where do you want to go first?
I would love to visit Japan. I like their culture and food.
That sounds like a great trip. I hope you can visit soon.
Me too. What about you? Any future plans?
I want to start my own business one day.
That's a great goal. I hope you achieve it.
Let's practice different ways to say goodbye.
I can say, "Goodbye. Have a nice day."
Yes! You can also say, "See you later," or "Take care."
If I want to be polite, I can say, "It was nice talking to you."
Perfect. These are all natural ways to end a conversation.
Thank you, John. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome. Keep practicing and you will improve quickly.
I will. See you next time.
See you. Take care.